Good morning, children. Now, children, today I am going to deal with word problem. I think we need to do multiplication and subdivision and also addition and subtraction in various situations in our daily life. So, let us study with some example related to the multiplication and divisions. Now here I am dealing worksheet number 4 of chapter 2. Question first. Solve the following word problems. A uniform set costs rupees 1325. What will be the cost of 567 uniform set? A uniform set costs rupees 1325. What will be the cost of 567 uniform set? So from this, first is what information? First point. What kind of information we are getting from this story? Right? So we have to understand the keywords. So here we apply 4 square method. So I am creating a cross with the cross here in order to make the 4 squares. Okay. Now, first point. First point is information. So how we will be able to get the information by understanding the keywords. So first is understanding keywords. Now, what are the punchline of this question? What will be the cost of 567 uniform set? So here we have to find the cost of 567 uniform set. It means the punchline is we have to do multiplication, because cost of one thing is given and the cost of many things is to be find out. So when this type of question always related to the multiplication, remember children, multiplication, when we have to find out cost of more than one thing, when the cost of one thing is given, here cost of one uniform set is there, you have to find out cost of 567 uniform set. Now next, second point is planning. Let's draw the picture. For example, this is the uniform set. One uniform set. Okay. What is the cost of one uniform set? Rupees 1325. Okay. And you have to find out the cost of 567 uniform set. So here lots of uniforms are kept here. So to find out 567 uniform sets cost, you have to find out, right? So how we will solve the problem? How we will find out the cost of 567 uniform sets? So in order to find out 567 uniform set, we have to multiply with this cost of one uniform set. So 1325 multiplied by 567. Then we get the answer. Now let's do the solution. Cost of one uniform set is what? It is rupees 1325, right? Question is, you have what is the cost of 567 uniform set? So cost of 567 uniform sets are, multiply cost of one uniform set 1325 and with the number of uniform set 567. Then we will get the value of the 567 uniform sets. So let's do the multiplication, children. We have to write down this is multiplicand and the next is one is multiplier. So we have to write according to the place value chart. Now let's start the multiplication. Start from the extreme ones, 7 ones. I will start multiplication from 7 ones. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry over, 7 2s are 14, plus 3, 17. 1 carry over, 7 3s are 21, plus 1, 22. 2 carry over, 7 1s are 7, plus 2, 9. Now come to 6 tens. I will multiply by 6 tens. 6 tens is having 1 0, so I will put here 1 0 on the right side of the product. So 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carry over, 6 2s are 12, plus 3, 15. 1 carry over, 6 3s are 18, plus 1, 19. 1 carry over, 6 1s are 6, plus 1, 7. Now come to the multiplication by 500. 500 is having 2 zeros, so I put down 2 zeros on the right side of the product. So here 5 5s are 25, 5. 2 carry over, 5 2s are 10, plus 2, 12. 1 carry over, 5 3s are 15, plus 1, 16. 1 carry over, 5 1s are 5, plus 1, 6. Now in order to find the product, we have to add it. 5, according to the place value chart, we will start from the extreme right side of the lowest place value, ones. 5 ones plus 0 ones plus 0 ones, 5 ones. 7 plus 0 plus 0, this is tens, 7 tens. 200 plus 500 plus 500, 1200. So 2 will be, I put down 2 in the 100 column, and 1000 will go as a carryover in the 1000 column. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 19, 9, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 1 I put down here in 1000 column. 2 will I take as a carryover in the 10,000 column. So I will adding carryover 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 5, I put down 5 here, and then take 1 as a carryover. 6 plus 1, 7. So the cost of 567 uniform set is 7,51,275. This is the answer. Now children, come to the next question. B. One packet contains 385 sweets. I think children, you like, all of us, everybody likes to eat sweets. So I also like to eat sweets. So here the question related to my favorite things. One packet contains 385 sweets. How many sweets can be packed in 52,690 packets? So let's start to understand this story. Let's again draw the 4 squares. Applying this 4 square method, I'm starting with the first understanding keyword. What is the understanding keywords of this problem? So we have to understand the keywords of this word problem. So what is the keyword? The cost of one packet is 385 sweets. Okay. How many sweets can be packed in 52,690? Again, there is a question is cost of the capacity of one packet is given here. We have to find out the capacity of 52,690 packets. So there is again, we have to find more than one. The value of 1 is there, and we have to find more than 1. So here we do the punchline. The keyword is multiplication. Now next point, what planning we are doing. So firstly we draw the picture. According to the question, one packet contains 385 sweets. This is the sweets packet, right? So this packet is having how many sweets, children? 385 sweets, right? So we have to find out how many sweets can be packed. How many sweets can be packed in 52,000. This is a packet. How many packets? 52,690 packets are here. So how many sweets can be packed in 52,690 packets? So here we will, third point is we will solve it. So what we have to do, we have to find out the number of sweets which will be packed in 52,690. So let's multiply 52,690 with the capacity of one packet, 385. We do the multiplication so that we will be able to find the number of the sweets. So Now let's start the solution. Number of sweets in one packet. How many sweets are there, children? In one packet, 385 sweets are packed in one packet. So, number of sweets packed in how many packets? 52,690 packets. So, what we will do? Multiply 52,690 with 385. Then we will get the answer. Let's do the multiplication. 52,690 is multiplied by 385. Let's do the multiplication. Start from the 5 ones. 5 zeros are 0. 5 nines are 45. 4 carry over. 5 6 are 30 plus 4 34. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. Now come to the 8 tens. We will multiply. So 8 tens is having single 0. So I will write single 0 on the right side of the product. Let's start the multiplication. 8 zeros are 0. 8 nines are 72. 2 7 carry over. 8 6 are 48 plus 7 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 55 5 5 carry over. 8 2 ja 16 16 plus 5 21. I'll write here 1 2 carry over. 8 5s are 40 40 plus 2 42. Now come to the multiplication by 300. We write down 2 0 on the right side. Let's start multiplication. 3 zeros are 0. 3 nines are 27. 2 carry over. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20. 2 carry over. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 18. 1 carry over. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. No carry over. 3 5s are 15. 3 zeros are 0. 3 nines are 3 nines are 27. 2 carry over. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20. 2 carry over. 3 2 are 6 plus 2 8. 3 5s are 15. Now let's do the addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 0 plus 0 5. 4 plus 2 plus 0 6. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 7 15. 5 1 carry over. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. Now for 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12. 2 1 carry over. 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 2 lakh. Answer is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Answer is 2 crore 2 lakh 85,650 sweets. So 2 crore 2 lakhs 85,650 sweets are packed in this 52,690 packets. So this is the solution. Now see, a rocket travels 7,59,600 kilometers in 240 hours. How many kilometers will the rocket travel in 1 hour? Now children, here you have to find the distance in 1 hour, where the rocket's distance travel in 240 hours is given. So we have to understand this problem first. So in this story, the rocket travels 7,59,000 kilometers in 240 hours. How many kilometers will the rocket travel in 1 hour? So let's start the solution. We draw this 4 square method. We use 4 square method in order to solve this problem. So first one is understanding keywords. Understanding keywords. So here the understanding keywords. So main keyword punchline of this story is that how many kilometers will the rocket travel in 1 hour? In order to find the anything, one thing, then we have to do the division. Okay, division. So now plan. What is the plan? What will be the plan? So plan is to divide 7,59,600 kilometers by 240 hours. So we solve the problem. We put this in these two. One is dividend, 7,59,600 kilometer is taken as dividend and 240 is a divisor. Now let's start to solve the problem. Distance traveled by a rocket in 240 hours. How many distance? 7,59,600 kilometers. Distance traveled by a rocket in 240 hours is 7,59,600 kilometer. So distance traveled in 1 hour. So what we have to do when we have to find in 1 hour? So we divide 7,59,600 will be divided by 240 hours. So let's start to do the division. We form the division form. We will insert these numbers in a division form. 7,59,600 is a dividend and 240 is a divisor. So let's start from the first extreme left side, the digit 7. 240 and 7. 7 is less. Now we take the 2 digits 75. Again it is less than 240. Now we take the another one digit 759. Now this 759 is more than 240. Let's start the table of 243. 3 zeros are 0, 243 are 3 zeros are 0, 3 fours are 12, 2 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6 1 7, 720. We subtract 759 with 720. So we get 9 minus 0 9, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 7 0. So now we put down this 6 here along with 39. So 396. We start again table of 240. 240 ones are 240. So we divide, subtract this. 6 minus 0 6, 9 minus 4 5, 3 minus 2 1. Now we put down this 0 with 156. So it is 1560. Now to start the table 246. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24, 2 carry over, 6 twos are 12 plus 2 14. Now it is let's subtract it. 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 4 1 and 1 minus 1 0. Now we put down this 0 along with 120. So now it becomes 1200. Now I will multiply 240 by 5. So let's start multiplication with 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 0 2 carry over, 5 twos are 10 plus 2 12. So 0 minus 0 we subtract, 0 minus 0 12 and 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. So this is the quotient, this is the result, 3,165 kilometer. So distance traveled by a rocket in 1 hour is 3,165 kilometer. Now let's discuss the next question number D. Mr. Mohan earns rupees 19,750 every month. Means each month. Every means each. It means you can say 1 month. In every 1 month. How much will he earn in 8 years? In 8 years, it means we have to find it is talking about many years. So here we have to do multiplication. So let's start the solution. Firstly, we again use the 4 square method. So first is understanding the problem's keyword. Here the problem's keyword is how much will he earn in 8 years. Mr. Mohan earns rupees 19,750 every month. So here every is a punchline. Every means 1 month. How much will he earn in 8 years? Again 8 years is a punchline. So we have to use the multiplication operation. Now next point is plan. What is the plan? Let's convert 8 years into month. Because 1 year equals 12 months. So 8 years equals 12 into 8, that is 96 months. So we have to multiply 19,750 with 96 months. So let's solve the solution. 19,750 is a multiplicand and 96 is a multiplier. We do the multiplication and find the product of these two, multiplicand and multiplier. Let's do the solution. 1 year equals 12 months. 8 years equals 12 into 8, 96 months. Now start. Income of Mr. Mohan in 1 month is rupees 19,750. income of Mr. Mohan in 1 month is rupees 19,740. So income of Mr. Mohan in 96 months, that is 8 year. Income of Mr. Mohan in 96 months, that is in 8 year, is equals 19,750 multiplied by 96. Let's start to do the multiplication. 195,750 multiplied by 96, that is 19,750 multiplied by 96. Let's do the multiplication. We start from the extreme right side, the smallest digit, that is 6 ones. Start the multiplication. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 0, 3, 6 sevens are 42 plus 3, 45, 4 carry over, 6 nines are 54 plus 4, 58, 5 carry over, 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11. Now come to the 9 tens. 9 10 is having 1 0, so I will write down 1 0 along with this product towards the right side. So start the table. 9 zeros are 0, 9 fives are 45, 5, 4 carry over, 9 sevens are 63 plus 4, 67, 6 carry over, 9 nines are 81 plus 6, 87, 8 carry over, 9 ones are 9 plus 8, 17. Now let's do the addition lastly. So start from 1, 0 ones plus 0 ones, 0 ones, 0 plus 0 tens, 0, 500 plus 500 is 1000, so I will put down 0 here, and 1 is go as a, it will taken as a carryover in the thousand place. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 7, it is 16. It is 16. 6 will I put down 6 here, and 1 is taken as a carryover. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 7, 9. Now here come to the next level. 7 plus 1, 8 and 1. So here the solution is 18,96,000. So in 1 month Mr. Mohan's income is 18 lakh. In 96 months, income of Mr. Mohan in 96 months, not in 1 month, that is in 8 year, is 18,96,000. Income of Mr. Mohan in 96 months, that is for 1 year, is 18,96,000. Here income of Mr. Mohan in 1 month is given 19,750. After multiplying this 19,750 by with 96, that is 96 months, the income of Mr. Mohan in 96 months, that is in 8 year, is equal to 18,96,000. So children, I hope you have enjoyed this session very much, and I think you will enjoy in solving this worksheet number 4. So your classwork is A and B, worksheet number 4, page number 90, and your homework is C, D and E. E I have not explained. You will read that problem number E and try to do it on your own, with apply your own effort in order to solving problem number E. Up to A to D I have solved. I have shown you the method. So question number E, you will do it without others' help. So bye bye children, have a nice day.